This question says to solve each of these equations. Okay, so we'll start with C. As you can see, this is from the worksheet and it resembles very closely the one in the assignment itself. So while I am demonstrating with this one, you should be practicing using this one in the assignment, and you're advancing on your assignment one time. Now, when you are confronted with a situation like that, right, meaning when you have x on either side of the equation, you have a linear equation, okay, and right, you've got 7x on the left side. Okay, let's subtract 2. Okay. You have the equal sign, and on the right side, you've got a 5x. So as you notice now, you are solving for x, but x appears twice, once on the left and once on the right. Okay, so you need to cancel out x. Bring all the x's on one side as soon as possible. Okay, now, what I normally recommend is that cancel out the x with the smaller coefficient. It doesn't matter on which side it is. Okay, that's what I normally recommend. Okay, if you look into the module, let me see if this will appear, because I'm not the one who made the module. You know, this recommendation might not appear, okay? Because it's not mandatory, it's a recommendation. Okay, it's recommended. To cancel out the x with the smaller coefficient, and some person may say smaller x, the smaller x, okay? So to cancel out the smaller x, all right, and it doesn't matter on which side it is. So you have 7x and you have 5x. So 7x is bigger than 5x. 5x is smaller. So here now it is recommended to cancel out 5x. 5x meaning positive 5x. So to cancel out a positive 5x, you'll have to subtract 5x. Okay. If you subtract 5x on the left, you have to subtract 5x on the right. If you subtract 5x on the right, you have to subtract 5x on the left. Okay. So we're subtracting 5x to cancel out 5x from the right because it is smaller than 7x. Not because we're reading from left to right and we see 7x. First, you know, and we like to see our x on the left side, because in English we're reading from left to right. So we like to read x is equal to, starting from left to right. All right. I'm trying to stress the point that it's not because x, the 7x is on the left side, you want x to be on the left side. The main reason I recommend and why we canceling out 5x is because 5x is smaller than 7x. So that is why we're canceling out 5x, okay? And it just happened to be on the right side. Okay, so bear that in mind, take note of that. So 7x subtract 5x will give us 2x, okay? And then we have a -2, and we are left with a 6 on the right side. So now we're going to cancel out -2 by adding 2. We add 2 on the left, we have to add 2 on the right, okay? So we are left with 2x on the right, on the left, is equal to 8 on the right, and then we divide by 2 to cancel out 2, that is multiplying to x. So we have to divide by 2. And if we divide by 2 on the left, we have to divide by 2 on the right. And we are left with x is equal to 4. Okay. Just to prove if that 4 satisfies the equation, that is optional. The proof is optional, but I'm just mentioning it so that you can confirm that your answer is correct. If you have the time, you have the motivation, I recommend that you do that. You know, you substitute 4 all where you see x, and to see if this substitution of 4 still, you know, results in a sensible answer. 7 times 4 is 28 minus 2 is 26. So you get 26 on the left. We're supposed to get 26 on the right. 5 4s are 20 plus 6 is 26. So our 4 that we have gotten is correct. Okay.